A former Columbia police officer has won his lawsuit against the city that fired him more than 3 years ago. Good evening, I'm Daniel Wynn. Dana is on assignment. Last Friday, Judge Pat Joyce ruled in favor of Rob Sanders' suit against the city of Columbia. The police department fired Sanders after he pushed a suspect in the department's holding cell, causing spinal injuries. ABC 17's Lucas Geisler is live outside the Columbia Police Department. And Lucas, this means Sanders could get his job back.
Yeah, Daniel, Judge Joyce's order given out last Friday asked that Sanders' attorney, Scott Jansen, help write the order reversing the city of Columbia's decision. And Officer Sanders could have his job back after fighting for it for 3.5 years. The push that created years of battles in court could soon be ending. Friday, a Cole County judge ruled in favor of Sanders. He sued the city last year to get his job back. In August 2011, Sanders helped arrest Kenneth Baker for outstanding felony warrants. At the police department, Baker became irritated after officers used pepper spray to arrest him. Sanders pushed Baker when he began pounding on his holding cell door. Chief Ken Burton fired Sanders a month later. Sanders' lawsuit says the city's ordinance on using force is vague and ambiguous on improper treatment of a prisoner. The 18-year police veteran battled the decision for the next few years when an administrative board took up the issue in 2013. While Sanders technically followed the rules, Chief Burton and City Manager Mike Mathis upheld the decision to keep him off the force. I tried several times today to get in touch with Sanders' attorney, Scott Jansen, but haven't heard back from him yet. Now, while Friday's court decision allows for Sanders to come back to the force, at least that's what the lawsuit wanted, it may not happen right away. The city's attorney, John Landwehr, says that the city will most likely appeal the decision. Then it could be several months before that appeal is satisfied. Reporting live in Columbia, Lucas Geisler, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Lucas. And a judge has also acquitted Sanders of criminal charges for that push. Baker, the inmate Sanders shoved in 2011, settled a lawsuit with the city for $250,000. Well, Mid-Missouri is looking at a